Hey guys, Arkansas Garage here. This is going to be a short video. I imagine y'all don't want to watch me sit here and sand and paint more. But let me show you what I got going on. I got the rear axle and gearbox, got it all taken apart. Let me zoom out here. This is the axle here. I'll end up taking this down further apart. I'll end up taking this brake apart and seeing what's all inside there. See if anything needs to be replaced, because this brake here, I mean, it's just not, well, this is like the emergency brake right here. It has disc brakes on here. Here's the hub assemblies. And then the frame is nice and dry. I don't have the J-arms installed right now. They're just kind of dangling there for right now. I got that painted. And let me show you what else I got painted here. Got the front tub painted. It turned out pretty good. I can't tell you how long I've sanded on that. And then the front skid plate. And the roll cage, I still have to end it all. I'll end up painting this piece right here black, just like it was from the factory. This goes in the front of the Odyssey. I got it all nice and straightened up. Luckily it wasn't really too bad. There was a good sized dent right here. I got it beat out. And then, if you remember, on my last video, the roll cage was pretty out of whack. Let me bring it over here so I can show you what I did. Everything else was fine after I took it apart, but this piece was pretty bad off. But as you can see, it's all straightened back out. If I flip it over here, you can really tell. Look around this direction. This piece right here was off quite a bit. It's nice and level now. What I ended up doing, kind of redneck, but hey, you know, whatever works, works. I just put it underneath my workbench like this right here, and push down whatever side that needed to be tweaked a little bit. Other than that, there's nothing else. You know, I've been doing a lot of the painting and sanding off camera. You know, I really don't know if you're interested in watching me do that. I mean, if you like watching paint dry, then maybe that's for you, but I'm just going to save y'all the torture and frustration that goes through all the sanding and painting. I think what I'm going to try to get done today is getting that gearbox all taken apart piece by piece, and I'm going to repaint it, get it ready to go, and then I'm going to start on that roll cage. But if y'all want to know any more, if y'all want to see me do a lot of painting and sanding, let me know, and maybe I'll put some of that in the video. But guys, thanks for watching all my videos, and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.